Hello everyone, in my knitting channel where I'm going to show you a sewing bit. Let me present you shorts before and apparently I'm not looking great in these. Therefore I thought, because I love the material or fabric, whichever you want to call it, it may help if I just cut these ends. And they're not really look great over here, as you could see. They're loose, but hard to explain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take scissors, cut them, with thinking that I'm going to fold them maybe twice and then sew them. As simple as that. Let's do it. So here they are on the ground, and I wore them, you know, they're not clean or anything like that. But as you can see, I have a bit over here that I could fold. So what I'm going to do first, I think I'm going to take measuring tape, measure something for folding, and then cut it off. And check how pretty the buttons are. Love them. They're kind of old-fashioned ones. Brings my childhood into memory when I was straightening my teeth and counting buttons for my thingy in my mouth to stay as long as possible. Now, I don't have fancy anything to draw on the trousers, so I'm going to use pins just to pin the area that I want to cut. And I presume we need an inch to fold, maybe? Totally don't know what I'm doing. I'm grabbing both layers, just that they're stick together. As you can see, it's marked. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going just to place one on the top of another and cut the other one. We shall see how that goes. Is that even something I should be doing? Probably ironing the material first, but you know, I want to use it just for a garden, so it does not look straight, does it? Let's see how that goes. Now they're folded, and let's cut again. Right, so as you can see, I cut it. I looked as I looked, and obviously it's going to be a little bit shorter. I can't leave it because, as you can see, linen has a tendency to, you can see it, do this. Pins, and like I said, I'll try to do it for like 1 inch twice. And also, what is strange about these shorts is that, I'm not sure you can see it, but this part is connected on both sides with another part, and that part is longer than this one, or wider than this one, so interesting, huh? Okay, let's start again and do it from the inside. Right, before I do anything, I know probably I should press it. I think that's what you call the word in knitting. Sorry, not in knitting. In sewing, when you do this, but you know, this is me, this is how I roll. And let's do the other side and try to make sure that it's the same length. Now I don't know how to check them, but what I'm going to do, maybe I'm going to do it this way. Anyway, it looks-ish okay. So I'm going to prepare sewing machine. I have a lucky dollar. Oh, this one. As you can see, I have two black threads over here. So I'm ready to roll. I don't know squat about sewing, so this is my lovely Ikea thing, because why would you want to start with a better quality equipment where you can have this one and probably will do the job too. So finger crossed. I'm using 5. I'm using B, and the B is here. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Now I'm actually changing my mind, and I think it will look way cuter if it was other way around, even if it's not even. Ugh. So yeah, you've seen me doing this, and I'm just doing all the way around because, hello. I want people to see it was a handmade-ish with machine. No, no, no. I know, I would have it done by now. Why? I know I'm supposed to be more accurate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to measure once I do it all, and then change positions, if I say it that way. I'm just rushing because there is a fence outside that it's waiting for me to be brushed with a metal brush. Okay, so first things first, let's check. Is it roughly even? So I'm pulling here and I'm pulling here, and it looks quite okay-ish, you know, a few millimeters here and there, who will know? And then maybe on the sides do the same thing. So let's grab here. Have I watched any videos how to do it? No. And here I have a little bit more on one side than on the other one. But I believe it is because this is opening up. So let's move this baby here and do it one more time. Okay, you know what I mean? I'm just fine. Machine. Sewing machine. Okay. Common sense tells me that I should not knit against the sharp objects. Sew against sharp objects, but I haven't thought it through. And if I switch okay, let's start from the back. So if I messed it up, at least I will not be able to see it. Makes sense? I think it makes sense. Okay. People say there's something written down over here, so I'm going to try to maintain to this. Where is this handle? There should be a handle. I thought the handle is somewhere over here, but it's actually this little thing over here. Just saying. Done. And now at driving lessons, shall we? Let's lower it first. Holding 2, because if that goes, yes. Are you nervous? Because I am. Why it doesn't work? Oh yeah, you have to turn it on. Why it doesn't work? Yeah, it's working. Electricity, remember to turn on the plug. Let's press this baby. Does it even work? Oh yeah, it does! That was so nice. For sure it's not going to be even. For sure I don't think it looks like 1 inch unless it stretches out. And remember, at the beginning and at the end, move forward, move backward, move forward, move backward. This is the button. I'll show you. this is the magic thing that does it. Change, that's reverse. This is reverse gear for you. I hope my friend Diane will like this because she is a pro and I am just learning driver. I'm taking scissors for paper. What? No panic, I have scissors. There's a fancy thing on this machine over here that I could probably use, but do you know what? Not now. Let's do the second. Okay, let's use it. So you go over here and you do, that's it. And we're done with the machine. Okay, after sewing, I believe it may be a rocket science. If you're just commented down below and said something else that I don't have a clue what I'm talking about, probably you are right. When I'm looking at it, I still need to cut a few bits because I have left some, but not sure can you see it, but nothing is even over here. Nothing. But it does its job, as you can see. Yeah, this one, this way you can see it. I know it's blown out. So yeah, this is how it looks. And I would say it's not bad, not bad. Their-ish look even, although the sewing per se maybe not. It was quite okay to sew this material, not complaining. It's not stretchy or anything like that, so I think it's beginner friendly if someone would want to do something with linen. If you're a sewist and you had experience with different material, let us know down below your lists from beginners to more advanced. As I mentioned, as you can notice, it's strange. This is shorter than the back of the leg. Front, back. Still need to cut this though. So that's how it looks. If you don't know how to make shorts, just get from the shop and alter it. I think that's the word. Alter your shorts. I hope you enjoyed this little bit. Again, it's reminding it is knitting I love channel, but sometimes I do things that I need to do, and be aware in the future I will have few things to fix. Wait for videos like that. Enjoy your day, and let me know have you ever altered? Is that the word even for sewing? Anything, you know, adjust, change, cut. So bye.